Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by exposing sound metal. Remove loose scale and old coatings now with a wire brush or 80-120 grit sandpaper. Once done, degrease thoroughly using a solvent so coatings will bond properly. Contaminants lock in corrosion. Make sure the surface is dry. Humidity under 60% helps. Immediately mask adjacent parts to prevent overspray and protect seals. This first step sets the stage for every later defense, because adhesion and cleanliness determine how long. You now create the core corrosion barrier by applying a primer and topcoat system. Start with a Zinkrich or epoxy primer for immediate protection. These bond and stop underfilm corrosion. Apply 2 even coats to reach about 50-100 micrometers dry film thickness. This prevents pinholes. Once primed, follow with a compatible topcoat to block moisture and UV. Make sure to seal seams and welds with epoxy caulk and overlap coatings by a few millimeters so there are no gaps. You finish by applying the topcoat and allowing full cure per manufacturer instructions. Temperature and cure time control hardness and durability. Once cured, inspect for holidays and thin spots using a holiday detector or careful visual checks. If you find blistering or flaking, act quickly. Sand back to solid metal, remove contaminants, and reprime the area. Also, identify the root cause, trapped moisture, galvanic contact, or failed sealant, and correct it so the repair lasts. One key tip: control moisture entry first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.